Hey there, curious minds. Let's dive into the heart of our Milky Way galaxy, where a mysterious force resides. Meet Sagittarius A, the supermassive black hole at the center of our galaxy. Now, black holes might sound intimidating, but they are fascinating cosmic phenomena. Sagittarius A is about 4 million times the mass of our Sun. Imagine squishing that much mass into a space smaller than our solar system. That's one dense object. But wait, how do we even know it's there? Scientists have been observing the stars orbiting an invisible object at incredible speeds. By studying their motion, astronomers concluded a massive black hole must be pulling them in. You might wonder, what would happen if we got too close? Well, it's not exactly a spa day. The immense gravitational pull would stretch you out in a process called spaghettification. Not a pleasant experience, to say the least. But don't worry, Sagittarius A is about 26,000 light-years away, so it's not coming for us anytime soon. Instead, it's a cosmic laboratory, helping scientists unlock secrets about gravity, space, and time. Remember, black holes aren't just monstrous voids. They play a crucial role in the evolution of galaxies, including ours. So next time you gaze up at the stars, think about the incredible unseen forces at play. Stay curious and keep exploring the wonders of the universe. Until next time.